Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Science Chapter 3 Coal and Petroleum Video Part 2. Question number 21. Which among the following is essential for the combustion to take place? So for the combustion of any substance, what is the compulsory? The oxygen is the compulsory. Without oxygen, combustion cannot take place. Okay. So 21 answer will be option C. Question number 22. Destructive distillation of coal is done to produce. So destructive distillation produces coke. You can see here it is the coal tar. Here is the coal gas and coke is burned. Burned here. Okay. So answer will be your 22nd option is the D. Okay. 22.D. Question number 23. The petroleum product which has boiling point between 150 to 250 is. So with this distillation, fractional distillation, you can see what is in between 150 to 250. So here is the 150 and here is the 300. So I think kerosene will come. So kerosene is the product of this. So 23rd answer will be option C. Question number 24. Dash is referred as black coal. So crude oil is referred as black coal. Okay. So 24th answer will be option A. Why? Because coal tar is black in color and its economical value is very much. That's why it is known as the black coal. Okay. Question number 25. Which among the following can be used as an alternative source of energy in place of fossil fuel? So solar energy, wind or biomass, all of the above. So I think this is the alternate, all of the above is the alternative source of the energy in place of the fossil fuel. Okay, so 25th answer will be option D. Question number 26. What is produced when magnesium ribbon burns? So after magnesium ribbon, so you can just see magnesium, burning of the magnesium in presence of the oxygen. So magnesium oxide is the byproduct and light is also produced there. Okay, so that's why answer will be option D. 26th answer is option D. Question number 27. Which one of the following is the best way to extinguish the fire cast by clothes of a person? So throwing a stone on the clothes, no. If we throw a stone on the cloth, fire cannot extinguish as well as the person can get hurt. Okay. Covering the person with the woolen blanket, yes, it can be the one of the option. Throwing petrol on the cloth, no. It will just uh, increase the fire. Covering the person with the polythene sheet, no. Polythene will starts burning and it can stick on the skin of the person. So this is also not a good option. Option B will be the correct answer. But how should we cover? We should not cover the face of the person. Okay. we should just cover the body of the person like this and then starts rolling. So 27th answer will be your option B. Question number 28. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of good fuel? Safe to store, okay, low ignition temperature, does not cause pollution, or all of the above, or none of these. So I think not a characteristic of the good fuel. I think all the things should be the good characteristic. That's why option E will be the correct answer. 28th answer is option E. Question number 29. Dash is used for making candles. Asphalt, paraffin wax, diesel, petrol, none of these. So it is the paraffin wax. Okay, paraffin wax is used to make the candles. So 29th answer will be your option B. Question number 30. Deposits of natural gas are found in India in Tripura, Rajasthan or Maharashtra. So here you can see the natural gas in India are the Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So that's why answer should be D. The blue line, the blue color is showing the natural gas presence. Okay. So 30 answer will be option D. Question number 31. LPG mainly consists of propane, methane, butane and ethane. So LPG has propane and butane. CNG mostly methane. NGLs ethane, propane, butane and other gases. And APG found with the crude oil. Okay. So answer will be your propane and butane 1 and 3. It is in the option number C. 31 answer is option C. Question number 32. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? LPG has high calorific value. It is correct. Acetylene is a liquid fuel. It is not correct. A good fuel has moderate rate of combustion. It is correct. Okay. All of them are not possible. Okay. The answer will be 32nd answer will be option B. Question number 33. Dash does not burn with flame. Camphor can burn with flame, LPG can burn with flame, candle can burn with flame, but charcoal cannot burn with flame. So 33 answer will be option D. Question number 34. When methane burn in sufficient supply of oxygen. So methane burn with the sufficient supply of oxygen, carbon dioxide and water is produced. Option A. 34th answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. It is actually here only carbon is there. Option B. Carbon dioxide and water is produced. Okay. Question number 35. A material burns into flame without the application of heat is called rapid combustion, incomplete combustion, spontaneous combustion or explosion. So different type of combustion I have just shown here. The rapid combustion means combustion is very fast. Spontaneous combustion means the combustion is on its own. It means without application of heat. So that's why answer will be option C. 35th answer is option C. Question number 36. Water used on petrol fire does not work because you can see here is the petrol on the water and petrol is above the water. Petrol is floating on the water. That's why if you just put water in the petrol fire, then what will happen? The petrol just comes up on the water and still it will just keep burning. So that's why to extinguish the fire of the petrol, we should use sand. Okay. So petrol is heavier than water? No. Petrol will float on water? Yes. It will supply oxygen to the burning fire? No. It cannot cause electric shock? No. Answer should be B. 36th answer will be option B. Question number 37. Dash can be used by burning of coal. Cyclone, acid rain, earthquake or volcano. So acid rain can be caused by the burning of the coal. 37th answer is option B. Question number 38. Which one of the following is not a petroleum product? So gasoline, petroleum gas, diesel are the petroleum product. Coal is not the petroleum product. So 38th answer will be option A. Question number 39. PCRA refers to. So PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. It is in the option number C. 39th answer will be option C. Question number 40. Which one of the following is used in extraction of metals? The coke, coal gas, coal tar or petroleum? Actually, coke is mixed with the metal ore to extract the metals. Okay, the 40 answer will be option A. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.